Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is a trade recap of today's trade. As you can see, in today's trade we won this trade. This one was we were taken out at break even after closing half of the trade at 1.1. That's making 0.5. This trade also we lost this trade, but we exited the trade here. Yeah, we exited the trade here. And again, there was also this other entry that we got 3 RR. This, sniper entry in 5 minutes, you get in the market and get out after in less than 10 minutes and, getting that 3 RR instead of just waiting the whole day. But guys, whether you wait 3 days or wait 2 days, you can still make the same money, okay? Whether you exit the market the next 5 minutes, and you go 3 RR, you still made money. But people say that trading this lower time frame sometimes is very risky. But if you follow one pair, back test it in one time frame, like one pair, one time frame, and back test it well, you won't miss it, man. So just study one pair. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. Just study one pair, and you're going to make a lot in this market. Okay. So this is what happened. This is 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 a.m. in the morning. You can see that 8 a.m. in the morning. 8:10. Okay. Yeah, East African time is when I entered this trade. So first of all, let me start by going to the higher time frame. Seeing actually the trend of the market. So we were here when the market opened today. Like when I go to the market today. So first of all, I was seeing that the market was actually bearish. You can see the market is bearish. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for selling opportunities because the market now is bearish. Okay, yeah. So after that, I do this. The market was uptrend yesterday, and there was change of character here. And then now there was a series of breaking of lower lows. You can see there was that lower low that broken there. There is this zone that the market consolidated a lot, and after that it's broke down. So this was a breaking of lower low, BOS, then a BOS here, and even here, ICT traders can say this is a turtle soup. Okay, yeah, sometimes you just learn. Like for me, I've learned a lot of things in the market, and I see everything in different perspective. Others say this change of character, others say this shift, others say this the CSID, others says market structure shift. Like they are all the same. You can see. Like let's use this example. Like here, others we call this a breaker block. Others we call this support break and retest. You can see. Yeah, that's breaker block, support, and retest. It's the same thing. It's only that people exaggerate them. Okay? Yeah. I think that saying hard words is making money in the market. Anyway, support and resistance work, everything works. It's just you. It's your mind. Okay? If you do practice enough and understand your strategy well, everything will work in this market. Okay? Yeah. I don't know, at small time frames, it's very hard to understand. It's very hard to understand to you. Other people must say them well. There's even a person who trades 1 minute time frame and they make a lot of money. In fact, they enter and exit in the 5th minute and make what you are holding in 3 days. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. So this is what we are doing. Let's just leave a lot of shenanigans out and focus. So now I was here. This was 8 a.m. in the morning. So 8 a.m. in the morning, I was here from this zone. I was here. Oh, let me use this. The market was here when I was seeing it. So this is what happened. Okay, and then the market was here. The first of all, the market came down here. Then when it the market had already debalanced. So I was my point of interest, like my POI, is when the market comes to the OTE or comes above this equilibrium. Anytime reversal can happen here. Now from this zone, I'm looking for key zones. The first key zone was this fair value gap. Okay, now the market disrespected this fair value gap, as you can see, but it respected it in a way. You can see when it tapped, it just came down before continuing, but it respected it. Let me show you. Let me tell you the funny thing. Gold in 5 minutes, it respects fair value gap as I don't know what name even to use. It respects fair value gaps, even if it can make a slight, reversal move, small reversal move, but it does respect that. Look at this. Just tap fair value gap and reverse down. If you are just targeting 1 to 1 RR, I'm sure you will have a win rate of 100%. If not 100%, then 99.9. Okay? Yeah, the market respects fair value gap as the F word. Okay. Now the market has disrespected this. So what's the next? Like pull of drawn liquidity? Because now this was the first drawn liquidity and the market disrespected that. The next drawn liquidity could be now this high. Okay, and you can see the market just after this, it broke to this high, then came down. But before that, you guys know about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This zone was accumulation phase. Okay, then the market was going to distribute and take out this high before coming down. So the market took out this, and I drew this fair value gap. And again, there was another fair value gap that was formed here. As you can see, there was another fair value gap that was formed here. So ideally, I was to enter the market here. Okay, stop loss just above here and target 3 RR. I would have even exited somewhere here. But again, there was another way I could do it. Okay, to avoid missing out, I could enter here, the same exit here. Okay, the same exit here and target this sell side liquidity that is here. Hope you're still together. Yeah, so this is what I did. So I put that there and I put this here, and you can see the market just came straight to our TP. That was that, and making us 2.7%. If you're risking 1%, that is. And as you can see, guys, it took out this in how many minutes? Let me see. From 8:55 to 10:25, 10:15. About an hour and 15 minutes, you have just made 2.7%. A lifetime. People invest in money market fund for a lifetime to make 14%. This one you can just trade for 5 days or 7 days and you have the 14% that you want. Okay, yeah. So after now that the market took out this SL liquidity, what was the next thing? What I was thinking is the market is coming to now collect the liquidity that is up here before going down. Okay, so the first point that I was looking at was this zone. There was a fair value gap that was left here that I think the market was coming to rebalance it. So I entered and I told my team, we entered together. We entered here, put stop loss above here, but this one I told them it was a mid-risk sell because it was risky. There was also a fair value gap, so the market might be coming also to rebalance this fair value gap. Okay, so when we entered here, my rules are: if we enter a trade and hit 1-to-1, we close half of the profit and set a trade to break even. Then after doing that, the market just came, you can see it hit 1-to-1 RR and come to this zone, come to take out as at break even again. So after doing that, you can see the market also came down here and moved rapidly to the downside. And after here, I just knew that the market now, if the market disrespect this, as you can see, the reason why even I didn't enter anything to do here is because the market disrespected this fair value gap. If the market is going bullish, it is going to disrespect all bearish fair value gap. If the market is going bearish, it's going to disrespect all bullish fair value gap. Okay. The other thing I told you about how gold in 5 minutes respect fair value gap is very crazy. As you can see here, this one was like sniper entry. This zone here again, sniper entry. Okay, here the same sniper entry. What are you guys waiting for? Sniper entries all over. Okay, you can even risk and enter here, put stop loss right there, and you have made the RR right here. 2 points, that is 2 point, almost 3, 2.78, almost 3 RRs right there. But because now you want to don't have to put that close. Okay, now the market now was, right here it was it was now, after taking us out, it was now coming to this liquidity zone. So here is where I put my entry, and I told my team that we are entering this trade. Then after entering this trade, it came down to this zone. No, it never hit our 1-to-1 RR. As you can see, let me show you. Let me put this aside first. It never hit our 1-to-1 RR. Our 1-to-1 RR was there, never hit 1-to-1 RR. Then the market reversed. Now this is very good. This is like something crazy, because when you know well your strategy and you know why the market is moving, it's very easy to understand, know when to exit the market. I told my team, as you can see here, when the price just closed above this fair value gap, I was 100% the market is coming to take out this buy side liquidity. I was 100%. I told my team, exit. Okay? Yeah. Reason being, if the price close above here, now this one become inverted fair value gap. Okay? An inverted fair value gap are like support zone, like a break and retest. The price is going to break and retest this inverted fair value gap before going. And you can see what happened exactly. This is the inverted fair value gap acts as order block, acts as a support zone, like the break of support zone. And you can see exactly what happened here, guys. So I told my team to exit here. We made some losses, but not much losses. Again, we are trading on 5 minutes, so sometimes the market is moving so fast. So some exited here, some also even left here. I guess maybe they are doing something and they were taken out here. But I gave out the signals very, 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 as sharp as possible, because I was just watching the market. If you're in my team, if you're in my VIP group, okay, or even you're in my free channel, your work is just wait for the signals. Do nothing else, but just sit down, wait. Okay? Don't do anything else. Just wait for it's just like your entire work. Okay? Yeah. And it's the easiest work to do in the world. Just subscribe to my VIP and wait for these signals. Just sit down. Your work is just enter trade, exit, enter, make money. Okay? Yeah, and that is what actually happened. So after doing that there, it took us out. Then after now the market closed. I was waiting now for the market to close above this now to confirm that the market is now going bullish. So the market closed above that is now I started doing this BOS, another BOS that there. So the other thing also, you can see when the market was moving to take out this buy side liquidity, it formed a fair value gap here. And again, what did I say about fair value gap in 5 minutes? The market respect those fair value gap as fuck. So I didn't enter this trade simply because I was fearing that there was a sell side liquidity here that the market was coming to take it out. So the market just came take out this sell side liquidity, and this was my my stop loss, since this zone was a demand zone, that the market was coming respecting this zone after taking out this liquidity. The best strategy is waiting for the market to take out liquidity before entering. That is one of the safest strategies. Okay? Yeah, so this is what I did. So I entered exactly here. Then it was 3 RR done like in less than 10 minutes. And that's how you are out of the market. Again, the last thing is that the market came out to this to take out this fair value gap before reversing. This is what was here before reversing. You can see, but this one you're using Go Charting. But if you go to if you come to Trading View, you can see clearly that the market just came and tapped it here before reversing. And this was our trade, guys. As you can see also, this is what I was sharing in the group. Okay, yeah, and that is how the day was today. And actually, guys, that was what happened during the day. That was what happened actually. And after this, I just, it was 15:10. There was some kind of news here, and that's when I exited the trade, and I haven't seen the charts from that zone. I went to have, do some exercise, and that was it, guys. Getting this, and getting this is amazing. I guess it's just lost like less than even 0.5 today, 0.5% today, and we made 3 RR. Here we made 0.5 RR. We lost 0.5, so this one and this one cancelled, and this one, so we made about 6%. 6% today, just 6% trading this strategy. Okay, and it's very easy. You can do it. Just go try, backtest, learn, and this is what's going to happen daily on the market. Market is just there to, it's just there every day, and always learn to apply risk management. Risk management, my guys. Risk management. The funny thing about market, if you lose right now, if you lose any trade right now, tomorrow the market will present an opportunity to you. Okay? Now the thing is, or the question is, are you still in the game to trade tomorrow or to get back your money? Because now you don't move the market. Anything can happen. Okay, especially even mastered, anything can happen. Okay, yeah. So I'm planning on creating a mentorship cohort. Actually, may start maybe August or September, to teach people just forex, to teach people to be experts, people to understand the candle mechanics in the market. Okay, yeah. So it's just very easy. That was today, and tomorrow is just going to rock it again and see what will happen in the market. Okay, you guys have been sharing free signals. You know my signals, guys. You know my signals. So you just join VIP. VIP is just on offer, just $20. Click that link on the description. Join. After you pay it, you just give you direct a link to my VIP, and you just join VIP with the private channel. Okay. Yeah, and again, I'll just be sending some free signals to the free channel still, and sharing also some educational content to the channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, and also make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that I keep giving you guys the free tips and more of educational content. Okay, yeah, peace.